That's my pancake. I had a very poor attempt of flipping it. She done just fell out. What is up, nomadic explorationists? Today we are out at the Jennings State Forest. We're gonna go ahead and do some overland camping. So we've got the rig right behind us, and then we've got some forest roads in the back that we're gonna go check out. So stay tuned, baby. Let's go check it out. All right, guys, so we just made it to the campground. We're gonna go ahead and do a little bit of trail riding first. We're gonna put the old rig to the test. Lola just wanted to get out of the truck and go, where is she? There she is. Go do her business. So took a little break for a second. So it looks like we're starting to actually get to some rough parts of some trails. Not really rough, but rougher than what we've been driving on unmaintained forest roads. So you can see up here, we are definitely getting into the woods. We're getting into more single track stuff now. Look at how sick it is out here, guys. How nice and peaceful. You can see all the controlled burn marks, and you can see the big beast barely fits down the trails. But she's doing it. She is chugging along. So we're just gonna keep ripping, guys. See how the beast does on these narrow little trails. All right, guys, so we're coming up to a water crossing that's got a pathway that's going around it. I still think we're gonna go through it, but got water, but then another trail. I don't know. You guys think the old beast can do it? About to find out. Let's go, baby. All right, I don't know why there was a trail around that mud hole, because I was in two-wheel drive just creeping. Didn't even spin, didn't even get close to getting stuck. So who knows? Maybe this truck's just good at crawling. I don't know. That's what we're finding out. That's why we're out here today on these trails. Again, look at all this water they've got out here. And this bad boy just crawls right through it. Made it to our camping spot, boys and girls. Name is Bootleggers Campground, baby. So we made it to our beautiful camp spot. Boom, you can see the tent site, but we're gonna obviously be staying back there, baby. So I've got a pretty good meal planned for tonight. I'm a big breakfast for dinner kind of guy. So I went ahead and got some thick cut bacon, got some eggs, and we have got some pancakes, baby. So we're gonna go ahead and get to cooking. You happy to be out, baby girl? You happy to be out, Lola? You happy to be out? Beep, 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 beep. All right, so we have got a couple new additions to my truck camper. I've got me a mixing bowl so I can go ahead and make my pancakes. Got some measuring cups because I also need those to make some pancakes. And then I got tired of cooking eggs with a fork, so I went ahead and bought a spatula. So we are good to go, baby. So on today's menu, we have got Bisquick pancakes. Of course, I've got to put some chocolate chips in them. I have got thick cut bacon. And then some eggs. We're gonna go ahead and get cooking, and I will see you on the other side. All right, looks like we're gonna start out with 2 cups of mix. Ooh, milk, did not bring milk. Well, we're gonna have to resort to water. All right, guys, it's a little embarrassing. I am not a good cook. That's my pancake. I had a very poor attempt of flipping it, and she done just fell out. Still gonna taste good though. Ugh, on to the next one. All right, so this pancake was a fail. Next up on the list, we have got some bacon, boy. What's this? Good girl. All right, guys, just got done making breakfast for dinner. Actually turned out pretty good. First couple pancakes came out like shoot. Did not come out very good, but I had extra batter, so I made some more. And the bacon and eggs came out freaking awesome. So delicious. I know baby girl wants some. And of course I put it on this fancy little wooden thing, but I'm actually gonna eat it on a paper plate. There you go. You want some food? Is it yummy? I spoiled that dog way too much. Golly, boy, this came out perfect. I freaking killed it, dude. These are so gas. IHOP better watch out. I'm about to put them boys out of business. Bacon came out freaking mint. We also seem to have another issue going on. A lot of people hate on my beverage selection. They say it's not manly. I don't really understand what they're talking about because there's a guy's name in it. I don't think you can get a much more manlier beverage than that. Mike's Hard Lemonade. Mike? That sounds like a scary freaking dude. Probably the best beverage out there. All right, and I'm always big on cleaning everything up, so we're gonna go ahead and get the paper towels and our water, start cleaning up all these freaking dishes. I cannot stand a greasy grill at all. So gets cleaned as soon as I'm done. All right, y'all, me and Lola Pup are gonna hit the sheets. Good night, sleep tight, and don't let the bed bugs bite. Good night. Good morning, gangsters. Did not sleep very well last night because Puppy thinks it's all right to share a mattress that's 30 inches wide with another person. But we're up. We're going to get up and then we're going to get rolling. So, stay tuned. Good morning, gangsters. I did a terrible job last night filming my dinner because I did a terrible job cooking it. So this morning we're gonna cook an amazing breakfast. Even though we had breakfast for dinner last night, we're just doing eggs and bacon. Little Lola Pup here has a growling stomach because she will not eat her own food that I brought her because I spoil her way too much. So we're gonna go ahead and get cooking some eggs and bacon. Get some protein in her stomach, baby. Bone apple tea, guys. We'll go ahead and split her up and get some to old Bag and Pup. Look at that slobber. All right, we got Lola Pup's portion here. Come on, go eat it. She's not even excited. Or she's camera shy. She might be camera shy. That's the good stuff. All right, made a little piece of bacon for my little favorite dude. There you go, bro. What do you mean? What do you mean you can't open your mouth? Wait, you mean you're not real? You're just a piece of wood? Oh, shoot. Sorry, buddy. I'll eat it in your behalf. Now, one thing I always put on my eggs and bacon is syrup. Let me know if anybody else does this, because this is the way to eat it. This is way better than my dinner I made last night. I'm proud of myself. Good job, Taylor. Good job. All right, guys, we've got one last thing before we go. And you guys already know. Red Bull. Gotta grow my wings. 2 years in the making, baby. They'll come. They'll come. You guys keep hating. You watch. Lola already knows. All right, y'all, and that is it for this week's episode. Thanks for coming along. Stay tuned next week for some more great content. Thanks for the support as always, and me and Lola say goodbye until next week. Thanks, guys. Bye.